we're going to prepare our chicken shawarma. First take a nut. Then put this chicken. Then cucumber. Carrot. And ketchup. Mix. And fold it. Now our chicken shawarma is ready to eat.
Assalamualaikum. I can teach you how to prepare shawarma. First, we take the chicken. The shawarma bread. Then, some salad. Add some carrots, and ketchup. And now we have to make it. Yes, there's the shawarma.